You know, I never thought of all the mods that I've ever put on my Tacoma that this one would be the most controversial. Everybody's got their own opinion about, oh, you should have run X suspension. Why'd you go with those leaf packs? Why'd you pick a X brand? You should have done such and such. And granted, a lot of the mods have their advantages and disadvantages, and so I've tried to pick what fits for me, what works for me, what fits in my style. Some things may stay in style, some may go out of style, and it's just been kind of interesting seeing the reactions to this one mod that I put on the truck. Now, I can say that there are some points to the criticism. I've seen their points. Yes, it does possibly come on base model vehicles, but that trend is kind of changing now. And if you look at some of the vehicles nowadays, it's not just a base model feature anymore. So, what mod could I possibly be talking about? Well, here's a few of the comments that have popped up over a couple of reels and my posts about this mod, and I just don't think it fits in 2024. I don't know why these door handle covers have caused this much controversy, seeming as how you've got 50, 60, 70, 80, up to $80,000 trucks or vehicles now running black door handles. I mean, these are top of the line vehicles. Look at the TRD Pro Tacoma and Tundra. They got black handles. Those aren't base model vehicles. Look at your Ford Bronco. The Everglade has black handles, and even some of the Raptor models have black handles. Those aren't base model. Now, I am not trying to call out anybody that does not like this particular look or think that it's for base model vehicles, but at the same time, it's like you got to look at the market. This style is popping up on those expensive models. So it's not a base model thing that you can call out anymore. But I understand if you don't like it, you want to keep the paint match, go for it. I mean, there are people that like the limited look on the Tacomas, and they've got chrome handles. So no disrespect for those chrome people, but you know, everybody's got their own different style. I just like the fact that I have a contrast between the door handle and the rest of the truck because I do have a blackout package, and this just adds a little bit of pop to my cement gray Tacoma. Tell me what you think. I can understand if you don't like the look, that's great. If you do, awesome. There's plenty of options for these. You can do some carbon fiber. You can go for the silver chrome look. You have the gloss or the matte black. I have the matte black. This just kind of fits the rest of the theme that I have on the truck. But as I've said in previous videos, I may actually end up painting these, or at least giving a little bit of an accent look to them, just to kind of be a little different. Maybe I'll see if I can do like a vinyl wrap or something like that over the top of these. So I never thought that I'd make a video that covers something this controversial for some people out there. But you know, hey, there you go. Everybody's got their own style. If you like these, I'll leave a link down in the description box below. Make sure you leave your comments, all that other fun stuff. I enjoy kind of reading your comments out there, so leave them down below. Catch you in the next video. Peace.